Okay, here we are again. These are the 4 screws that needs to be removed. 1 2 no 3 4 once again 5 6 screws, and I'm going to remove it, and Nabila is going to make this video for you. Come on, Nabila. Okay.
We're gonna need light.
You don't have lights? Can you see it? These are small screws. Make sure
I can't see.
not to mix up these screws. Can you move back? These screws. And I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you the bulb. These are the LED light bulb. We just remove these from these wires, and basically you just buy these uh, from eBay or somewhere, and then just replace it like these. And I'm gonna show you how to do that. Okay, you can stop. So now you need a bigger version of what happened to my extension here. I just had the extension. Okay, stop that.